Hi, we are Group 4. Today we will talk about specific heat capacity. What is heat capacity? Heat capacity C of an object is the quantity of heat needed to raise the temperature of the object by 1 degree Celsius. C is equal to quantity of heat supplied over change in temperature. Unit for C is joule degree Celsius power negative 1. Where 100 joule of heat is supplied to objects X and Y, object X experiences a rise in temperature of 1 degree Celsius and object Y 2 degrees Celsius. What are the respective heat capacity of objects X and Y? By using the formula, we can know that heat capacity for object X is 100 joule per degree Celsius, while for object Y, the answer is 50 joule per degree Celsius. So now we can know that object X has a higher heat capacity than object Y. Therefore, the increase in temperature of object X is less than object Y. This picture shows a boy drinking hot soup with a spoon. If he accidentally spills a spoonful of soup onto his hand, he will experience only a slight pain because the quantity of heat transferred to his hand is small. However, if he spills a whole container of the bowl of soup onto himself, he will suffer serious injuries because the quantity of heat in the whole container of the bowl is quite large. This observation shows that although the soup in the spoon and the bowl are at the same temperature, the soup in the bowl contains more heat. The soup in the bowl is said to have a larger heat capacity. So we can conclude that the larger the mass of a body, the larger its heat capacity. These are some examples for daily situations involving heat capacity. For the first example, the soup in a large bowl is hotter compared to the same soup in a small bowl after being left to cool for some time. For the second example, the dashboard of a car has a lower heat capacity compared to the cushion. Absorption of heat energy from the sun causes the dashboard to experience a higher rise in temperature compared to the cushion. Now we will talk about specific heat capacity. Specific heat capacity C of a substance is the quantity of heat needed to raise the temperature of 1 kilogram mass of the substance by 1 degree Celsius. C is equal to quantity of heat supplied over mass multiplied change in temperature. The unit for C is joule per kilogram per degree Celsius, or you can also use joule per kilogram per Kelvin. Quantity of heat cubed that is absorbed or released by an object can be determined using this formula. For example, the specific heat capacity of the metal aluminium is 900 joule per kilogram per degree Celsius. This means 1 kilogram of aluminium requires 900 joule of heat to raise its temperature by 1 degree Celsius. Every substance has its own value of specific heat capacity. Table below shows examples of substances and their specific heat capacity. In this table, you can realize that water has high specific heat capacity. Hence, water needs to absorb a large amount of heat to have a small rise in temperature. This makes water a good cooling agent. Metal, on the other hand, has lower specific heat capacity compared to non-metal. Therefore, objects made from metal get hot quickly when supplied with an amount of heat.
Application of specific heat capacity. Selection building materials of traditional houses in various climate zones. Wood has a high specific heat capacity and gets hot slowly. In warm weather regions, traditional houses are built from wood which function as an insulator of heat from the scorching sun. In cold weather regions, traditional houses are also built from wood. Heat from firelets in the wooden houses cannot flow out because wood functions as a good heat insulator. Cooking utensils. Woks are made of metal with low specific heat capacity. As such, food can be fried at high temperature in a short time. Clay pots are made of clay which has a high specific heat capacity. As such, food can stay hot for a long time. The body of a pot is made of aluminum which has a low specific heat capacity. This enables the pot to heat up quickly. However, the handle of the pot is made from plastic which has a high specific heat capacity. This ensures that the handle of the pot gets hot slowly and is safe to handle.
Car radiator system. Running of fuel in car engines produces large amounts of heat. This heat needs to be released to avoid overheating the engine. Water has a high specific heat capacity and is used as a cooling agent. A pump will pump water into the engine block. Water will flow through the engine block to absorb heat produced. Hot water flows to the radiator. Cold air is sucked in by fans so that heat in the cold water can be released quickly through cooling fins. Outer layer of space capsule. Space capsule on its journey back to Earth encounters air resistance when entering the atmosphere. This friction increases the temperature and causes the space capsule to burn. Therefore, the outer layer of a space capsule is made from substance with a high specific heat capacity and melting point. Production of latest materials in the construction of green buildings. The Diamond Building Energy Commission is built with an insulating concrete roof. That is a roof fit with insulators using styrofoam boards. Styrofoam has a high specific heat capacity and can reduce the absorption of heat from the surroundings to reduce the temperature inside the building. Sea breeze and land breeze. Land has a lower specific heat capacity than the sea. Therefore, temperature on land rises more quickly than temperature in the sea during daytime. The air on land becomes hot and rises upwards. Cold air from the sea moves towards land as sea breeze. Sea has a higher specific heat capacity than land. So, temperature in the sea drops more slowly than temperature on land at night. Hot air above the sea rises upwards. Cold air above the land moves towards the sea as land breeze.
Slowing problem involving specific heat capacity. Example 1. A 0.5 kg metal block is heated by a 15-volt electric heater for 90 seconds. The temperature of the block ranges from 20 degrees Celsius to 45 degrees Celsius. Calculate the specific heat capacity of the metal. Step 1. List the given information in symbol. Temperature rise equal to 45 minus 20 equal to 25 degrees Celsius. Mass of block is 0.5 kg. Power of heater is 50 volt. And the heating time is 90 seconds. Step 2. Identify and write down the formula used. C equal to quantity of heat supply over mass multiply change of temperature, equal to power of heater multiply heating time over mass multiply change of temperature. Step 3. Substitute numerical values into the formula and perform the calculation. C equal to 50 multiply 90 over 0.5 multiply 25 equal to 360 J kg power minus 1 degrees Celsius power minus 1. Assumption: all heat supplied by the electric heater is absorbed by the metal block. No heat is lost to the surrounding. Example 2. 20 grams of boiling water at 100 degrees Celsius is poured into a glass containing 200 grams of water at 28 degrees Celsius. Calculate the final temperature of the mixture of water. Heat is released when 20 grams water with 100 degrees Celsius change to temperature of mixture Y. Heat is absorbed when 200 grams water with 28 degrees Celsius change to the temperature of mixture Y. Let Y equal to final temperature of mixture. For boiling water, mass equal to 20 grams equal to 0.02 kg. Temperature change equal to 100 minus Y degrees Celsius. For water at 28 degrees Celsius, mass equal to 200 grams equal to 0.2 kg. Temperature change equal to Y minus 28 degrees Celsius. Specific heat capacity of water equal to 4200 J kg power minus 1 degrees Celsius power minus 1. Q1 is equal to Q2. By using the formula, we know that 0.02 multiply 4200 multiply 100 minus Y is equal to 0.20 multiply 4200 multiply Y minus 28. It will become 8400 minus 84Y equal to 840Y minus 23,520. Then 924y equal to 31,920. Finally, y equal to 34.55 degrees Celsius. Therefore, the final temperature of the mixture of water is 34.55 degrees Celsius. Assumption: no heat is absorbed or released to the surrounding. Heat transfer only occurs between the boiling point and the water at 28 degrees Celsius. Therefore, heat released by the boiling water is the same as the heat absorbed by the water at 28 degrees Celsius.